Hi, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jake. Today, we talk about your day.
This is shadowing practice. You listen and you repeat.
We speak slowly. You say the words with us.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just open your mouth and try.
Are you ready? Let's warm up together. Say hello with me.
Hello. Nice and clear.
Now a little louder. Hello, everyone.
Good job. You sound great already.
This morning, I woke up at 7 o'clock.
Ooh, 7. That's early for you, Jake.
I know. I made a big cup of coffee.
Let's teach that. Listen to me, then repeat.
I wake up early. Your turn now.
Say it again with me. I wake up early.
Now, add a time. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Repeat after us. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Then I get out of bed. I get out of bed.
One more time. I get out of bed.
I make my bed. I make my bed.
Say it slowly. I make my bed.
Then I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
You brush your teeth. I brush my teeth.
I wash my face. I wash my face.
I take a shower. I take a shower.
I get dressed. I get dressed.
I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes.
Now you are ready for the day. I'm ready.
What about breakfast, Jake? I'm hungry now.
I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast.
What do you eat? Tell us.
I eat toast and eggs. I eat toast and eggs.
Nice. I eat cereal. It's fast and easy.
I drink coffee. I drink coffee.
I drink tea. I drink tea.
Say the one that is true for you. Coffee or tea?
Only one. There is no wrong answer.
Now let's put the morning together. Listen to me first.
Go ahead, then we all repeat.
I wake up. I take a shower. I eat breakfast.
Your turn. Say the 3 sentences with us.
I wake up. I take a shower. I eat breakfast.
Perfect. That is your morning in English.
Now you leave the house. I leave the house.
Repeat it. I leave the house.
Sarah, how do you go to work?
I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus.
Say it with her. I go to work by bus.
Some people drive. I drive to work.
Some people walk. I walk to school.
Some people work at home. I work at home.
Say the one that is true for you. Only one.
Take your time. There is no hurry here.
Let's do a small talk now. Listen first.
Good morning, Jake. How are you today?
Good morning, Sarah. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. A little tired, but happy.
Me too. I need more coffee.
Now let's do it slowly, line by line.
Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you?
Repeat after me. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. A little tired, but happy.
Great work. Say it with a smile.
A smile changes your voice. It's true.
Now, the middle of the day. You are at work or at school.
I start work at 9. I start work at 9.
Repeat it slowly. I start work at 9.
I work in the morning. I work in the morning.
I go to class. I go to class.
I write emails. I write emails.
I talk to people. I talk to people.
These are simple sentences, but you use them every day.
That's the secret. Small words, big results.
Now it's lunchtime. I eat lunch at noon.
Lunch is my favorite. Repeat. I eat lunch at noon.
I take a break. I take a break.
I have a sandwich. I have a sandwich.
I call my friend. I call my friend.
I check my phone. I check my phone.
In the afternoon, I finish my work.
I finish my work. Say it with me.
I clean my desk. I clean my desk.
I read a little. I read a little.
Let's talk about busy. I'm very busy today.
I'm very busy today. Repeat it.
I have a lot of work. I have a lot of work.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
But I don't give up. I don't give up.
Say that one loud. I don't give up.
Yes, you are doing amazing.
Let's talk about feelings. How do you feel right now?
I feel good. I feel good.
I feel happy. I feel happy.
I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired.
All feelings are okay. Say the true one for you.
Now, the evening. What do you do after work?
I go home. I go home.
I cook dinner. I cook dinner.
I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes.
Sometimes I don't. Sorry, Sarah.
It's okay. We are only human.
I watch TV. I watch TV.
I listen to music. I listen to music.
I call my family. I call my family.
I read in bed. I read in bed.
Then I go to sleep. I go to sleep.
On my day off, I relax. I relax.
I meet my friends. I meet my friends.
On the weekend, I sleep late. I sleep late.
I go shopping. I go shopping.
I clean my house. I clean my house.
I visit my family and I relax. I visit my family.
What do you do in the evening? Tell us in English.
Say 2 or 3 things. Nice and slow.
Now, let's meet a friend. Here is a small plan.
Hey, Sarah, what are you doing later?
Nothing special. I'm going home. Why?
Do you want to get a coffee?
Yes, that sounds great. Let's go.
Now repeat, line by line, with us.
What are you doing later?
Nothing special. I'm going home.
Do you want to get a coffee?
Yes, that sounds great.
Good. Now you can make a plan in English.
Let's do our last small talk. This time about your day.
Listen first, then we repeat together.
Hi, Sarah. How was your day?
It was good, thank you. I was busy, but it was nice.
What did you do today?
I worked, I had lunch with a friend, and I walked in the park.
That sounds lovely. I'm happy for you.
Now, slowly, repeat this. How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
I was busy, but it was nice.
What did you do today?
I worked and I walked in the park.
Did you hear was and did? That is the past.
We use the past to talk about earlier today.
In the morning, we say, I wake up. Later, we say, I woke up.
Listen, I wake up. I woke up. Can you hear it?
Say both. I wake up. I woke up.
I eat lunch. I ate lunch. Your turn.
I eat lunch. I ate lunch. Nice.
I go home. I went home.
I have a good day. I had a good day.
Every day you practice, you get better, I promise.
Don't worry if it feels hard. This takes time.
Let's learn some useful expressions now.
When your day is good, say, it was a great day.
It was a great day. Repeat it.
When your day is hard, say, it was a long day.
It was a long day. I feel that one.
When nothing happens, it was a normal day.
It was a normal day. Simple and useful.
And a happy one, I had a good time.
I had a good time. Say it with a smile.
One more. When you are tired, I need to rest.
I need to rest. We all need that.
Here is a small culture tip for you.
In English, we ask, "How are you?" a lot.
It's not a big question. It just means hello.
You can answer, "I'm good, thanks. And you?"
Short and friendly. That's all you need.
And when someone helps you, say, "Thank you."
A thank you and a smile go a long way.
Now, learn to ask, not only answer.
You can ask, what time do you start work?
Repeat it. What time do you start work?
You can ask, what do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun? Say it slowly.
You can also ask, how was your weekend? Now you can start a real chat.
Now, let's fix 3 common mistakes. Listen well.
Mistake 1. People say, I have 25 years.
No, we say, I am 25 years old.
Repeat. I am 25 years old.
Mistake 2. I go to home. That's not right.
We say, I go home. No to.
I go home. Say it again.
Mistake 3. Yesterday, I go to work.
In the past, we say, yesterday I went to work.
Yesterday, I went to work. You've got this.
These small fixes make you sound natural.
Okay, time for our final practice. This is the fun part.
We ask a question. You answer out loud in full sentences.
What time do you wake up? Answer now.
What do you eat for breakfast? Your turn.
How do you go to work or school?
What do you do at lunchtime?
What did you do this afternoon?
How was your day today?
Who did you talk to today?
What will you do tonight?
Take your time. Say each answer slowly. We believe in you.
Let's do a quick recap of today.
You learned to talk about your morning.
You learned to talk about work, lunch, and your evening.
And you learned was, did, woke, and went for the past.
You practiced small talks and a plan with a friend.
That is real, everyday English.
Here is your homework. It's easy and fun.
Tonight, before bed, say 3 sentences about your day.
Out loud in English. Just 3, that's all.
Do it every night this week. You will feel the change.
If this helped you, give us a big thumbs up.
And subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson.
In the comments, tell us, how was your day today?
Write it in English. We read every comment.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
You are not alone. We practice together every day.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Keep going. You're doing great.